folks, how are you? So it's been a while since I have posted the video. I thought I would show you guys my scrapbooking. So here is one. Yay! This is really close to my heart because this is where I began. This was made in another book actually, but because of a heavy rain it got spoiled and then I had to shift it from that book to this. Then it is about the new year and the year ending, new year beginning. This was in January. These were just random thoughts of mine. I hope you like my scrapbooking. This is all green. And this is coffee. So now let's check out the other book. The other book has only 2 pages done. I hope it doesn't fall. Here is one. I really like this one also because of the girls in it. Yay. This is it.